Cún.
Cosha.
Casha.
Ballian.
Amadan.
Has sin na fiadach tuamh tú na ALBA an Inbhir Theòrsa. Tá sí fuaile trómhína Gaelic an Inbhir Theòrsa 10 bliana arás.
Cóimhís a head cultach a bhí an bhuailin nó tríon na Gaelic.
Hi, ma sgais hi mar Gaelic Sealladh.
Ha bhí acu mar thula duine a seo nó raisi mar bake mar sgoilearan? Yeah, thula duine.
Hi ma or mar nuair a duine bríomí an ALBA hanéal smúnich mú Gaelic.
Sciorciúir, bhí sin na bríon míon duine. Agus a bhí as it.
Yeah, I loved it. We got to do like school trips and all that and we went to teen, so it was fun.
Chead do chosaí Gaelic san Àrd-sgoil gus 2 mhíle sa fiche nuair a bheith a chiad clás a bhain sa bhunscoil, déisiil ar san Àrd-sgoil.
Sa bhunscoil leis an bríon Gaelic a thuaidh go nuair bheith sin óiachaí.
Highness, there Kimmel Studios leis an Gaelic in Àrd-sgoil. Hanéal really Gene of different ag an clásach an eile ach son Gaelic was there son caiinnig a hill.
Yeah, mar an bhunscoil thuair sin Gaelic thula.
Nuair a hasin sin go an Àrd-sgoil, ha ddíoch an bliana againne agus ha clasnas béice.
Hi ma bhrín has bhrín Gaelic ach sa bhunscoil bheith tar na seád ha mis mún sin or bheith éise go thula duine mú Gaelic písbeic na smóa ach san Àrd-sgoil a hanéal thula duine thó córstal rís.
Do you feel you understand and know what Gaelic medium education is?
I think I understand because I grew up in Wales, so we've got Welsh medium in Wales. But whether I know who all the Gaelic medium pupils are is another thing. I'm not so sure.
I think I know a little, but not enough. Definitely not enough about it.
Yeah, I think obviously we're weird that you guys are doing it in classes, but I think maybe a little surprised at how fluently you are speaking just now between you.
I do, because I'm the guidance teacher for 4S2 and 4S2 was the first Gaelic medium class at Thurso High.
I have very limited understanding of what it is, but I imagine mostly people are doing the same subjects that the rest of the boys and girls are doing at Thurso High School.
I should and want to know more. I'm aware of my lack of knowledge and I want to fill that gap.
I grew up in a school that was both Gaelic and English medium, so I feel like I have a good idea, but it's very different in Caithness from where I was brought up.
Get a fuailm trómhína na Gaelic a bhí ruúi san Àrd-sgoil son céir bliana chin a nes cha do thosaí Gaelic son luch únsaí gus bliana. Do you know what Gaelic medium education is?
No.
No idea.
No.
It would be nice if the school would tell us this stuff.
Would you like to learn Gaelic and why?
Yeah, because it's like good to learn different languages. No, because I'd be like way behind in everyone else.
I picked Gaelic because my father speaks Gaelic as well, and I believe that it's very important for me to learn and my siblings to learn since it's my culture as well. I do think that everyone should be learning Gaelic when they enter first and second year.
I would like to learn Gaelic. It seems like a nice language to learn to speak, especially with the popularity of it around this kind of area.
I don't think it should be compulsory to everybody because I think everybody's quite individual. If we had staffing though, it would be nice to be able to offer it to more pupils.
Yes, because we don't get the option to learn about Gaelic.
I think Gaelic should be compulsory in Scotland because it's your native language.
How do you think the school could encourage Gaelic?
They could put it in the announcements or like have it in an assemblies.
I know that in many places in the Highlands they speak Gaelic, so it would be nice that people in Caithness can speak Gaelic and so everyone in the region can speak together.
Ha mis minic stocha díoch duine bhí éiseach na mór Gaelic agus hanéala díoch na saoinichin ha iad chud amach má ha éiseach na smó duine Gaelic bia.
Yeah.
Sin ar Sealladh dé Gaelic an Àrd-sgoil Inbhir Theòrsa. Ha sin dóchas gon buring sin ar canan Bhrosnachail san aimlí teach.
Runach.
Bhunscoil.
Asal.
Iachi.
Búrach. Chidi.
Balcóise.
Cúig.
Bearla.
Can. San aimlí teach.